Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. This happens to be one of our 347s going into a kit car. What makes this one a little different, we designed it so it's going to fit into that Cobra Kit Car. Has nice Cobra valve covers, nice oval air cleaner on this motor. We got the Holley Sniper on here, the Holley distributor. We got a full bolt march. It was painted black with a gold anodized paint and black wires. All of our engines are custom built to order. Right now with the pandemic, wait time is getting up there a little bit because parts are a little scarce on some builds. But again, we'll be happy to build anything you'd like. Give us a call and we'll put something together for you. Hey, peace and God bless. Thank you. Fires right up beautifully. Comes up a little bit on the RPM. We drop back down. Beautiful oil pressure. AFRs are perfect. We're ready to give you a pull.